Anyway, so. Austin, AGMJ. Oh, look at 40, Blackpool for Tram. There's a bit of history and everything else. It makes some money in today. So I just wanted to put the £5 note in, you know. This is where the 7 Chesterfield came along. Guys, come and visit Crich. Come and visit there. From anymore there, number 74 passing by. Yeah. Look at the colours. You work it out. And then that's where number 7 comes in. Now this is the 298. And then that used to be the number 1 London in red. But look at it now, it's going back how it used to be. And then number 22, Glasgow. Yeah. Used to be, I think it's used to be like that. Do you like that? Do you like that? And that's what it used to be like. I think I keep calling it Lee's Tram. I think Lee's did save it, didn't they? Yeah, moved to Lee's. That's what I must have had. That's all different now. What we're different here. Look at that. Technically, I'm standing there in that building. I don't know, 76. That's different now. That's a new photo, that is. Quite different now, because this one's here at one point. Before somebody comes. £2.11. Yeah. I think it's £2.11. Somebody's coming out there.